Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the best keychain tools for everyday carry, compact, efficient, and insanely practical gadgets that you'll actually use every single day. These aren't just random toys, they're well-designed EDC essentials for outdoor adventures, DIY projects, emergencies, or even everyday small tasks at home or work. We've got everything from powerful flashlights to multi-tools, folding knives, and more. Each of these gadgets is designed to maximize convenience while minimizing space, so you can carry them anywhere, on your keys, backpack, or even your pocket. Let's check out the top 10 keychain EDC gadgets that are compact, versatile, and ready to tackle any situation. Number 1. COB Keychain Flashlight 1600 LM. First up, the COB Keychain Flashlight is a multifunctional powerhouse. This isn't just a small light, it's a mini workstation. With 7 different light modes, including bright white, dim white, warm bright, warm dim, red light, red strobe, and a super bright mode, this flashlight has the perfect setting for any situation. The magnetic back and 180-degree adjustable stand allow you to attach it to metal surfaces and angle the light exactly where you need it, freeing your hands for repair work, camping setups, or nighttime tasks. On top of that, it doubles as a flameless lighter. Just long press the lighter switch for 3 seconds and you've got fire without any matches. Perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. It's Type-C rechargeable with a built-in 500 mAh battery and a 4 grid power display, so you know exactly how much battery is left. The flashlight is IPX6 waterproof, corrosion resistant, and built from durable aluminum alloy, making it ideal for hiking, night patrols, car inspections, or even just keeping in your pocket for emergencies. If you want a lightweight, multifunctional, and reliable flashlight, this is the one. Number 2. KeySmart 5-in-1 Keychain Multitool. Next is the KeySmart 5-in-1 Keychain Multitool, designed for compact convenience. It combines 5 essential tools into one small gadget: a box opener, mini pry bar, mini ruler, flathead screwdriver, and Phillips screwdriver. Made from stainless steel, this multi-tool is extremely durable yet lightweight, measuring just 2.39 inches in length. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use in tight spots or when you're on the go. It fits perfectly in KeySmart key holders or organizers, making it a seamless addition to your everyday carry. This tool is perfect for office tasks, small repairs, or outdoor adventures, and many users love it for opening packages, tightening screws, or tackling mini DIY projects. It's compact, portable, and practical, a must-have for anyone who values preparation and efficiency in everyday life. Number 3. 14-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool Pliers. The 14-in-1 multi-tool pliers is like having a full toolbox in your pocket. It includes long nose pliers, round nose pliers, cutting pliers, a sharp knife, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, serrated knife, hook remover, double-sided file, small scraper, can opener, and bottle opener, essentially everything you might need in daily life or outdoor adventures. It features a safety locking system so each tool stays secure when fully open. Its foldable design and compact size make it easy to carry in a pocket or backpack, and it even comes with a nylon sheath for convenient belt attachment. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or doing small household repairs, this multi-tool is ready to help you tackle anything at a moment's notice. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while its versatile design makes it a great EDC tool for survival, emergencies, or casual daily tasks. For anyone looking for a reliable, multi-purpose gadget, this is a must-have. Number 4. Mini Keychain 6-in-1 Folding Knife. If you're looking for a compact knife with multiple tools, the Mini Keychain 6-in-1 Folding Knife is perfect. It features a Tonto blade, serrated blade, box cutter, bottle opener, carabiner, hex wrenches, and a flat screwdriver. The 440C stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, while the liner lock ensures safety during use. The carabiner design makes it easy to attach to backpacks, belts, or keychains, and it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere. This keychain knife is ideal for camping, hiking, everyday carry, DIY projects, or opening packages. Its compact yet versatile design means you'll always have a reliable tool at hand without adding bulk to your EDC kit. It's not just practical, it's stylish and well-designed, making it a great gift for men, women, or teenagers who love functional gadgets. Number 5. OLIGHT i3OS Keychain Flashlight. The OLIGHT i3OS is one of the most compact yet powerful keychain flashlights out there. Powered by just one A battery, it produces 90 lumens, enough to light up small spaces, trails, or night paths. This IPX8 waterproof flashlight is compact, durable, and reliable, making it perfect for camping, hiking, running, or emergency use. Its twist head operation allows for simple and precise use, and at just 2.38 inches long and 0.68 ounces, it easily fits on any keychain or in your pocket. Customers love its brightness, portability, and convenience, as well as its reliable performance for nighttime activities. Whether it's walking your dog or navigating a power outage, the OLIGHT i3 EOS flashlight is a tiny tool that packs a serious punch. Number 6. KeySmart AllTul 5-in-1 Keychain Multitool. The KeySmart AllTul 5-in-1 Multitool is a truly innovative EDC gadget that combines compactness, durability, and multifunctionality. Designed in the shape of a wolf, this multi-tool is as stylish as it is practical. It includes 5 essential tools: a bottle opener, wrench, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and box opener, all packed into a tiny, lightweight keychain accessory. Weighing only 0.04 pounds, it's almost unnoticeable on your keychain, but strong enough to handle everyday tasks. Imagine being at a cafe and needing to open a bottle or tightening a loose screw at work. This multi-tool has you covered. Its stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand frequent use without bending or breaking, while the slim profile makes it compatible with KeySmart Pro key holders and other key organizers. This tool is perfect for minimalists, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to carry practical solutions without bulk. Beyond functionality, it's also a great gift idea, a small, clever gadget that shows thoughtfulness and practicality. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or traveling, this multi-tool ensures you're always prepared. Number 7. Keyport MOCA 10-in-1 Keychain Multi-Tool. Next, we have the Keyport MOCA 10-in-1, a premium multi-tool that truly maximizes versatility in a compact form. This TSA-friendly tool packs 10 essential functions: a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, pry bar, cutter tool, box opener, scoring tool, hex bit driver, wrenches, and a 2-inch pocket ruler. Despite its wide functionality, the MOCA is slim, lightweight, and durable, crafted from high-grade stainless steel. It's the ideal companion for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday users who want all the tools they need without carrying a bulky kit. Compatible with key organizers like the Keyport Pivot, it fits neatly on most keychains or in a pocket, making it both practical and discreet. Picture yourself opening a stubborn package, measuring something quickly, or tightening a loose bolt. This multi-tool has everything ready at your fingertips. Its TSA-compliant design means you can even carry it on flights, making it perfect for globetrotters or frequent travelers. With MOCA, you're getting a Swiss Army-like solution for your everyday carry, merging convenience, portability, and functionality in one sleek tool. Number 8. 19-in-1 Keychain Multi-Tool 3-Pack. The 19-in-1 Keychain Multi-Tool is all about maximum versatility and practicality. This 3-pack set includes 18 different functions, such as a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, inch ruler, cord cutter, wrenches of various sizes, and many more. Made from stainless steel, these tools are durable, corrosion-resistant, and designed for long-term use. Compact and lightweight, each tool is small enough to fit on your keyring, in a backpack, or even in your wallet. It's perfect for travelers, hikers, cyclists, or anyone who enjoys outdoor activities and needs a tool for virtually any small task. One of the best things about this multi-tool is its thoughtful design. Each edge and shape is crafted to maximize function while minimizing bulk. From quickly opening a bottle on a camping trip to tightening a screw during an unexpected repair, this multi-tool handles everyday problems efficiently. Plus, having 3 in a set means you can keep one at home, one in your car, and one on your keychain, ensuring you're always prepared. Number 9. KeyUnity KK05 Mini Titanium Pocket Knife. The KeyUnity KK05 Mini Titanium Pocket Knife is a premium, compact cutting tool built for precision, portability, and everyday practicality. It features a stainless steel blade known for exceptional sharpness, hardness, and durability, making it perfect for slicing, cutting, and delicate tasks. With its foldable design and tiny dimensions, it easily attaches to a keychain or carabiner, weighing just 6 grams. This makes it ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or everyday tasks like opening packages, cutting ropes, or preparing small meals outdoors. The handle is made from T6L4V titanium alloy, offering lightweight strength and durability. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure grip while in use. Customers rave about the KK05 for its sharpness, precision, and exceptional portability. Whether you're a camper, traveler, or just someone who wants a reliable cutting tool at hand, this knife combines professional-level performance in a pocket-sized package. Number 10. Mini Keychain Pocket Knife with Carabiner. Finally, the Mini Keychain Pocket Knife with Carabiner is lightweight, versatile, and ready for any adventure. Measuring just 3.94 inches with a 1.34-inch blade, this small folding knife is compact enough to fit in your pocket, but robust enough to handle daily tasks. Its stainless steel blade is razor-sharp and corrosion-resistant, while the ergonomic ABS handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip. The Carabiner design makes it easy to attach to a belt, backpack, or a keychain, giving you instant access whenever needed. This knife is perfect for cutting rope, opening packages, preparing food on the go, or performing light outdoor tasks. It's also a great gift for EDC enthusiasts, from men and women to teenagers and outdoor adventurers. The combination of portability, functionality, and stylish design makes it one of the most practical tools to include in your everyday carry kit. And that's our list of the 10 best keychain tools for everyday carry. Each of these tools is compact, versatile, and designed to make your life easier whether you're at home, outdoors, or traveling. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more reviews of the coolest EDC gadgets, survival tools, and practical everyday carry gear. Which of these keychain tools would you add to your EDC kit? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.